You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is generally a French name, the French version of the name Aurelien or Aurelius from Latin, the name of a Roman emperor. In French, the pronunciation is as Aurelien. There's normally an accent on the middle E. Aurelien. Aurelien. If you cannot pronounce French and it's a French person, you can say it as Aurelien. Aurelien. You could say Aurelien. That'd be kind of okay. Aurelien would be a different version. Aurelien in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.